The 5 foundations of life. The order that sustains Earth. Life on Earth is not random. It follows a quiet order. A structure older than civilization itself. Before cities, before nations, before human systems attempted to control the world, life was already sustained by forces working in balance. Air, sunlight, water, land, and the diversity of life itself. These are the foundations that allow life on Earth to continue. Understanding them is understanding the order of existence. This is the spirit way. Foundation 1. Air life begins with breath. Air is the most immediate requirement for survival. Without oxygen, the human brain begins to suffer damage within minutes. Every heartbeat, every movement, every thought depends on the silent exchange between our bodies and the atmosphere around us. Air sustains plants. Animals depend on it. Ecosystems balance through it. Without breath, nothing begins. Foundation 2, the sun. But breath alone is not enough. Life also needs energy. That energy comes from a single source: the sun. Sunlight powers the growth of plants. Plants produce oxygen. Plants feed animals. The entire food chain is driven by this light. The sun regulates climate. It drives weather patterns. It moves the water cycle across the planet. Without sunlight, life would slowly disappear. The sun is the second foundation of life. Foundation 3, water. After breath, after light. Life required something more. It required water. Water is the medium through which biology happens. The first living systems formed in ancient oceans. Even today, the human body reflects this origin. We are mostly water. Our blood, our cells, our chemistry, all depend on it. Water carries nutrients, regulates temperature, supports every biological reaction. Without water, life cannot continue. Foundation 4, land. As life evolved, it needed stability. It needed somewhere to grow. Life needed land. Land provides soil. Soil supports plant life. Plants sustain ecosystems. Forests regulate climate. Grasslands feed animals. Fertile ground sustains agriculture. Human civilization itself is shaped by land. Communities grow where the land can sustain them. Land gives life a place to belong. Foundation 5, biodiversity. But life is not sustained by elements alone. It is sustained by relationships. Biodiversity is the interaction between species, ecosystems, and environments. Plants, animals, microorganisms. Each plays a role in maintaining balance. Bees pollinate crops. Microorganisms renew soil. Forests regulate air and climate. Each living form supports another. This web of life creates resilience. Without biodiversity, ecosystems weaken. With biodiversity, life endures. When we look at these foundations together, a deeper truth appears. Life is sustained by connection. Air, light, water, land, and the countless relationships between them. Remove one foundation, and the entire system begins to weaken. Protect them, and life continues. Across Africa's vast landscapes, these foundations shape the environment where early humanity learned to survive, adapt, and grow. Here, humans lived not apart from nature, but within it. Life does not belong to us. We belong to the systems that sustain it. To understand these systems is to understand our place in the world. This is the spirit way. where observation leads to awareness and awareness leads to balance. If this reflection spoke to you, walk with us. Like, subscribe, and share, so together we may continue exploring the deeper order that sustains life on Earth.